A very important aspect of the tanpura sound is the use of small threads placed between the string and the bridge. These threads are called Jiva, and they are essential for enhancing the overtones in the instrument. For this purpose, I use sewing machine thread or hand sewing thread, as it is strong. Silk thread is too weak. It is advisable to have various thicknesses of thread because each thickness will produce a different vibrational effect. After tuning the tanpura as accurately as possible, we place a short thread under one of the strings. Pluck the string lightly and slowly pull the thread up towards the back of the bridge. We will find that at a certain position on the bridge, the string will start producing a strong buzzing sound, and it's in this position on the bridge we need to focus our attention. Continue plucking the string lightly, whilst minutely moving the jiva up and then down within the buzzing area. Continue to search for the spot where we find the buzzing continues to buzz while the sound fades out. We are looking for sustain. The buzzing should last as long as possible without suddenly ending and with a stable continuity in the tuning and quality of sound. Once the exact position is determined, we then should listen to the buzzing itself. It may be very weak or may be far too strong, and in this case we should try a thread with another thickness. In the following sequence, you will hear the sound produced by jivas with various thicknesses. We repeat this process for all the strings until we are satisfied with the sound the instrument is producing. The two center joras, tuned to sa, should be as identical as possible. After some time, we may find the jiva loses its effect. This is due to the fact that the thread gets flattened from the vibrating string. In this case, we simply ensure we use an unflattened part of the jiva. By pulling the thread slightly from one end, we will find a new unused position.